Welcome to our channel. If you want to join 24-Hour Fitness and set up your membership, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the 24-Hour Fitness website or download the 24-Hour Fitness app to browse membership options and find nearby gym locations. Step 2. Use the Club Finder to locate the 24-Hour Fitness gym closest to you. Enter your zip code or address to see available clubs in your area. Step 3. Review the different club tiers. 24-Hour Fitness locations are categorized as active, sport, super sport, and ultra sport, each with different amenities and pricing. Step 4. Choose between single club and all club access memberships based on whether you want to work out at multiple locations or just one home gym. Step 5. Check for current promotions and special offers on the website. 24-Hour Fitness often provides deals with reduced or waived enrollment fees for new members. Step 6. Start the online enrollment process by clicking Join Now, or visit your chosen club in person to sign up with a membership consultant. Step 7. Provide your personal information, including full name, date of birth, address, phone number, and email address. You'll need this to create your member profile. Step 8. Review the membership agreement, including monthly dues, any annual fees, contract terms, and the cancellation policy. Make sure you understand all financial commitments. Step 9. Set up your payment method by providing credit card or bank account information for automatic monthly billing. Some locations may offer the option to pay in person. Step 10. Complete your enrollment and visit your chosen 24-Hour Fitness location to activate your membership, get your member ID card, and start working out immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.